Did you know the most powerful king in history was brought to his knees by a young woman's courage? Dear King Xerxes, you ruled 127 provinces. Your word was law. People bowed when you walked by. You thought you were untouchable, but you forgot something important. When Queen Esther walked into your throne room uninvited, she could have died, but she didn't care. She had courage you never learned. See, you surrounded yourself with people who only said yes, people who feared you, people who told you what you wanted to hear. But real strength, it comes from having people around you who will challenge you, who will tell you the truth even when it hurts. You had all the power in the world, but Esther had something better. She had purpose bigger than herself. To everyone watching this who thinks success makes them invincible, remember Xerxes. Remember that true power isn't controlling others. It's having the courage to do what's right, even when it's scary. Pride comes before the fall, but humility, that builds kingdoms that last.